Hey, if you want to turn on or off captions on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just click on the Start in the taskbar, then go to the settings. Next, from here, you'll have to navigate into the accessibility, and from here, you will have to open Captions. So to turn them on or off, all you have to do is just to click on this switcher, and now, as you can see, it is turned on. We can set them up by clicking right here, and now we are ready. The Windows is ready to caption in the English. So they will be actually visible right here at the top. When you click on the settings icon, you can change position. So you can go above screen, below screen, or overlaid on screen, just right here. When you click and hold it, you can just move it with the left mouse button wherever you want. And also we can find some other options like change caption language, some preferences. And from here, we can also pick the caption style from the white on the black, small caps, large text, and yellow on the blue. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.